In this video, we'll be showing you how to add and remove a column using the code first approach with Entity Framework, and we're going to be doing that to the tickets table. As you can see here, equipment name is what we're going to be adding, and it's currently not there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to start off in the ticket model here, and we're going to actually add the name of our column. So it's going to be equipment name. Add that in there. Empty string. Empty. Okay, and then we're also going to go to our data context, and we're going to, on model creation, we're going to add some values in there in the equipment name so that we see that it has done something. So equipment name R5. Okay, good. N4 and R5, those are good. And then now we are going to go to our package manager console. I'm going to type in ls to see where we're at in the server. We are in the right directory. So let's go ahead and create a migration. So we're going to use the dotnet ef command. Migrations, add, and then add whatever. This is where you put your name of the migration. So I'm just going to name it equipment name. So this is going to create the migration, and then after it succeeds, we're going to actually update the database. So I just clicked up on there, and then dotnet ef database update, enter, and this should update the database. And when this completes, we will go to the database and verify that the column was inserted properly through the code first approach. Right click, edit top 200 rows, and as you can see here, equipment name with N4 and R5 is properly in there. So let's now go ahead and remove that column we just added, and also remove the migration. So in this case, we're going to have to do a reverse migration. I did up on there, and we're also going to target the database, and then we're going to do update as well. But what we're going to do after this is we're going to target the migration we want to update to. So in this case, we're currently on the equipment name migration, and we want to update to the previous migration called initial. So let's go ahead and update to initial, and then I will show you after the results of that. So it looks like we succeeded in that regard. Let's go back here, and we updated back to initial, and initial obviously did not have that equipment name column. So that succeeded. Now we still have a migration called equipment name, and we don't want that anymore, so we're going to remove that as well. So let's go ahead and up, and then we're going to do migrations remove, and what this does is it removes the most previous migration that was added. So click enter on there, and then equipment name you will see disappear. So this is the proper way to add and remove columns in our case. So yeah, hope you guys find it helpful.